because it is so like tightly put there.
Yeah, they've packed the stones in pretty densely.
Yeah, it's how it says to get to the top wall. It's like the stairs.
Just climb up the steps, yeah. It's wild. Chilly up there?
It's windy.
Indeed.
Obviously.
Angeli, did you say there's some debate about the purpose of this particular fort? Or was it pretty agreed upon that it was for like defense?
There's some debate whether it was for more ceremonial or like, you know, rites or I don't know, something more ceremonial wise. But otherwise it said it could be for, what was the word you even used? Siege? Yeah. Like for sieges.
Withstanding a siege, yeah.
And that this one has more of a trench or a ditch around the outside.
Oh
which
yeah.
makes them especially think this one could have been. And that they might have brought cattle or herds in during that time, even if there was a siege.
Yeah.
Because it is pretty big.
Definitely. Yeah, it's
This isn't complete though, right? Like there's been a lot that's probably like fallen. Because some of these walls are kind of low.
the terrain made it difficult to get to, so I would guess, like, with it being kind of in this little valley almost between these high hills and then like still up on an elevated place, it probably made it a good defensive spot. Yeah. But I'd fall and bust my cranium. This is wild. It's seriously only probably like 4.5, maybe just 4 feet across. Can't see it, but our car is parked over there behind that bush, or those trees. There's some sheep over there on the hill. There's quite a few houses that we passed, but most of them are tucked back a little ways off of the one-lane road. Yeah, you can see some of them over there. We got a pretty nice early start this morning. We were up by about 7, had breakfast at 8, and we were out the door of the hotel right around 9 o'clock. So we decided to come up here to check out some of these forts that are from the, I think, 5th and 6th century maybe. I think that's what Angeli's book said. And so after this, we're going to check out a few other things and then make our way down to Cork.
This is you videoing how fast it goes. They're like in the clouds up here though.
Yeah.
Katie, hold on 1 second. I need a napkin with this. What? It's just a cloud.
You're driving in a cloud. How's it feel?
Tense. Forceful. And I'm just like touching the brakes, but it's using.
But you have it in D, not M?
It's in D. It's in D1.
Yeah, D1. Yeah, this is a special thing. Wow.
We have a saint up here in case you need to say your last prayers.
To our right, it's total cloud.
We are in a cloud.
Absolutely.
Literally.
Wait, so is the car doing what it's supposed to be doing?
I don't know. I'm applying the brakes to go even slower. It was like it's stopping itself from just free falling. probably barely see it, but there's a huge herd of red deer out there, just all along this line. And supposedly that's one of the last remaining full herds. So zoom in here. Yeah, there they are. Whole bunch of them. We're taking a quick pit stop here to check out the Torc Waterfall. It's pretty close to Muckross House, where we saw those deer. We've been told it's a pretty nice sight to behold before we go down to Cork and get to our Airbnb. About to reach the waterfall, and this thing is huge.